Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Oromia, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to the latest report so far, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached the surrounding areas of Desai after gaining control of Valdia and Vichale on the A2 highway. Because while the Amhara government has currently imposed a curfew in Desai and Kombolcha, and reports are being received from several sources that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are leaving Desai. On the other hand, Tigray Defense Force on Valdia Verita front has reached the surrounding areas of Debre Tabor after taking control of several areas on B22 highway. And according to the reports received from many reliable sources, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have not yet entered Debre Tabor, while Amhara forces and Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are now leaving Debre Tabor. While according to reports received from Tigray Defense Force sources, Tigray Defense Force is now moving towards Verita from Debre Tabor. And after entering Verita, Tigray Defense Force will move towards Gondar and Bahirdar. Friends, according to Tigray government spokesman Getachew, if Ethiopia and Amhara do not remove their soldiers from western Tigray, Tigray Defense Force will move towards Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa. And while, on the other hand, the soldiers of Oromo Liberation Army who have joined hands with Tigray Defense Force in this war are also moving towards the capital of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Friends, Oromo Liberation Army claims that they had mounted an offensive that could block the main highway from Moyale. If taken over, it will be the first time the conflict in Ethiopia would directly affect Kenya. And Oromo Liberation Army threatens to block road linking Ethiopia to Kenya. And more, Oromo Liberation Army claims that Oromo Liberation Army soldiers controls the entire Guji zone and parts of the Borina zone bordering Kenya. And during the last 2 weeks, Oromo Liberation Army shut down 3 major roads that link Oromia with Amhara. Friends, so as the soldiers of Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are moving forward, it seems that if they continue to move at the same speed, in a few days they will appear in Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa. So here, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed has 2 options. First, accept the Tigray government 6 preconditions and declared the ceasefire, or flee the country before Tigray Defense Force marches on Addis Ababa. Friend, this is the report so far. Now let's see what happens next. So viewers, this latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.